Hi everyone, I'm Sam from Electric Bikes Brisbane and I'm going to walk through the Riese Muller Tinker. The Tinker is a really popular little bike for us and it's with really good reason because it's just so useful. But it's more than useful, it's really good fun to ride as well and very versatile. So we have customers who come out on our rail trail rides with us. We went to Stradbroke Island and did a bit of on-road and a bit of off-road, and our Tinker lovers were absolutely loving that as well. But it's also really useful as an urban bike because it's nice and small, very adaptable, it's got heaps of power and it's got great stability and handling. So it handles like a big bike. So there's no compromise in this design in terms of the way it rolls, the way it turns. So it rolls on 20-inch wheels, the wide 2.15 Schwalbe tyres as well, so heaps of cushioning, lots of traction. And that combined with a little bit of suspension as well, it gives you a bit more comfort and a little bit more traction when stuff gets rough. The Tinker is also a really easy bike to use as well, and it's really low maintenance. And this comes from two things. So great quality frame, so it's always going to ride really well and it's beautifully put together. So that minimises sort of the maintenance required as well. But it runs with an NBOLO gear system and a carbon belt drive. So very, very low maintenance, but also easy to use. Now the NBOLO is a 380-degree continuous gear system. You're thinking from a gearing perspective is, do I want it harder? Do I want it easier? It's not super technical, so if you're not an experienced rider and you don't like changing gears, it's a great gearing system, but you've also got, more so than any other internal gearing system, except for Rollhoff, a really widespread of gears. So steep terrain like in Brisbane, you've got very steep hills where you need a really good low gear, but you can also put it into a bigger gear too if you want to get a bit of speed on those flats. We've got a very interesting handlebar and stem setup here, and this is adjustable. So you can adjust it so you can put your handlebars a bit further forward, upright as it is here, or bring them closer to you. So great for shorter and taller riders just to adjust where they would like those handlebars positioned. You can also raise them up higher as well. So when you combine that with the ability to be able to raise your seat post, you can accommodate quite a wide range of rider heights. This is a thudbuster seat post, so it gives you great cushioning when you are hitting that rougher stuff, which is why it's so good on things like the rail trail when you want to take it out there. Just riding around the streets as well, potholes and things like that, just a bit of extra comfort for you. And we have also equipped it with this additional lock chain which plugs into the lock here and gives you the ability to be able to tie it to something. It's powered by the nice, small and very quiet Gen 3 Bosch performance system, 65 Newton meters of torque and plenty of grunt for going up those hills. And it really does handle steep hills really well as well. And this is paired with a 500 watt hour power pack battery. Great range. Some customers have reported up to about 150 Ks. Of course, that always depends on sort of what power modes you're riding in. But another handy feature about the style of this battery is that just with the key, you can take it off and take it upstairs to an apartment or to an office block and charge it very easily. It's not a big sort of cumbersome battery to handle. And a feature which we really like is this cargo box. So this is a rack time snap it system. It has a load capacity of 23 kilos, but it literally just snaps in and snaps out, and you can see you can carry quite a bit of gear in it, or you can just easily take it out and ride it as a bike without the cargo box on it as well. This elastic strap comes with the rack regardless, and in this case we put the strap over the box here, but you can also use it for other cargo if you're carrying it as well. So another top little feature of these handlebars is that they fold down. So if you need to put this into the back of a car, or you're limited on space in your apartment or where you need to store it, it's a really nice little feature as well. So the Tinker also comes fully equipped. With that, it means it comes with your mud guards, your kickstand, a rear rack on it, and integrated lights and powers off your battery. Really nice bright light. So look, a really handy little bike and top fun as well, particularly if you're looking for something just a little bit smaller and more manageable. It comes in two colours. It comes in a black frame and a white frame. If you would like any further information, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Email, chat or phone, and the details are on our Contact Us page. Very happy to help.